Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, we are going to be making some banana hammock freak shake cupcakes. So you might be wondering why I'm calling that such a weird name. For those of you who are Friends fans, so the TV show, you'll know the reference, but basically there's a scene where this character called Phoebe, she's kind of like a bit weird, but in a funny way. She wants to get her name changed because she got married. So she goes to the office whether she can do that, and they tell her, yes, you can change it to anything you like, and she says anything, and they say you can change it to anything that you like. So she gets creative and she calls herself Princess Consuela Banana Hammock. Then her husband finds out and he gets annoyed, and that's the whole episode. So I just thought it was a fun name. It's got bananas in it, it's delicious. And that's pretty much why we're calling them banana hammock freak shakes. So we're gonna get stuck straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to peel some bananas. So I'm going to be using one banana, but you can add more if you like, if you want to make it a little bit more moist, or if you want to have extra banana flavor in your cake. So once you've done that, you want to pop it into a bowl, use a fork, you're going to mash your banana really well. So once you've done that, you're going to set it aside. We're going to move on to making our batter. So to a large bowl, we're going to add some flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. We're going to mix that all together until everything is well combined. Then you're going to add your softened butter and mix that until it reaches a crumbly sand-like texture. Then you want to add your eggs, your milk, your vanilla, and some oil. You're going to mix that until everything is well combined. Now today, usually I will put yogurt in my vanilla cupcake batter. It helps keep it moist, but because we're adding the banana in there, we don't need to add the yogurt because that's what the banana will do as well. We're going to add our yellow food gel. Now at this point, if you want to have extra banana flavor in your batter, you can add some banana flavoring in there as well. To finish off the batter, we're going to add some mini choc chips in there. Now, if you're in Australia, it's really hard to find these. So I buy mine online on a website called iHerb. If you're in any other part of the world, just have a Google search, see what's available close to you, and I'm sure you'll be able to find them. Now, if you can't find the mini ones, you can just use the regular choc chips. And then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this to a piping bag because we're going to be making some cake donuts. Now, if you want to find the measurements for my cake donut tin and my cupcake tin and pretty much all of the equipment I use, you'll find that on thescranline.com. So we're going to snip off the end of our piping bag. We're going to pipe some batter into our donut baking tin, filling them up about halfway. Once you have them all filled, you're going to set these aside. We're going to line our cupcake tin with some white cupcake liners, scoop our batter into our cupcake liners, filling them up about 3/4 of the way. Once you've done that, you're going to pop both of these in the oven at the same time on the same temperature. And your donuts are obviously going to bake a little bit quicker, so they take about 10 or 15 minutes. Your cupcakes are going to take about 40. Now, once the cake donuts have baked, what you want to do is you want to let them cool down for a couple minutes before you try taking them out. So you're going to gently tap them onto a tea towel. Now, these should pop out really easy because I forgot to mention earlier on, you're going to spray your tin with some oil really well, and then wipe it with a paper towel before you put the batter in there, so that when you do get to taking them out, they'll just pop out really easily and they won't rip. We're going to core the center of our cupcakes and fill it with chocolate sauce. Now for this recipe, we're going to be using some chocolate buttercream frosting. You can find the recipe for that on my website. So I've just fitted the end of a piping bag with a Wilton number 6B tip. We're going to pipe a double donut swirl on top of our cupcakes, drizzle some chocolate sauce over that. Then you want to pop your cake donut on there. Now you might have noticed I actually snipped the bottom of it off. I find that it helps the donut sit on the frosting a lot easier and kind of stops it from falling back. We're going to drizzle some more chocolate sauce on top of our donut before we add some of these super duper cute banana sprinkles, just kind of all over the frosting. Now I've got some yellow ball chocolate candies. We're going to add those on there as well. Of course, it's not a freak shake cupcake unless we add our paper straws as well. And guys, that is pretty much it. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're watching for the first time, welcome. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you want to see in the comments down below in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.